Welcome to Shriramshan Physics Pilot. In the video, we will talk about 10th Standard Science, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Choose the correct answer. For a quick review. First, Physics. Choose the correct answer. Laws of motion. Question number 1. Inertia of a body depends on option C, mass of the object. Question number 2. Impulse is equals to option C, change of momentum. Question number 3. Newton's third law is applicable. Option C, both A and B. That is, for a body is at rest and for a body is in motion. Question number 4. Plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and the time on x-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives option C, force. Question number 5. In which of the following sport the turning of effect of force used? Option C, cycling. Question number 6. The unit of G is meter per second square. It can be also expressed as option C, Newton meter square kilogram per minus 1. Question number 7. 1 kilogram force equals to option C, 98 into 10 power 4 dyne. Question number 8. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as capital M kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kilogram. Option D, capital M, that is same. Question number 9. If the Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of a body on the Earth will be option D, increased by 300%. Question number 10. To project the rockets, which of the following principles is required? Option D, both A and C, that is, Newton's third law of motion and the law of conservation of linear momentum. Second lesson, optics. Question number 1. The refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in option A, that is in 1.31. Question number 2. Where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Option B, 2F. Question number 3. A small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce option C, a parallel beam of light. Question number 4. Magnification of a convex lens is option C, either positive or negative. Question number 5. A convex lens forms a real diminished point-sized image at focus. Then the position of the object is at option B, infinity. Question number 6. Power of a lens is minus 4 diopter. Then its focal length is option C, minus 0.25 meter. Question number 7. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed option C, in front of the retina. Question number 8. The eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by option D, bifocal lenses. Question number 9. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Option A, that is a convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Question number 10. If V of B, V of G, V of R be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Option B, V of B greater than V of G greater than V of R. Third lesson, thermal physics. Question number 1. The value of universal gas constant is option B, 8.31 joule mole power minus 1 Kelvin per minus 1. Question number 2. If a substance is heated or cooled, the change in mass is in that substance is option C, 0. Question number 3. If a substance is heated or cooled, the linear expansion occurs along the axis of Option C, that is both A and B, that is X or minus X, Y or minus Y. Question number 4. Temperature is the average dash of the molecules of a substance. Option C, that is difference in total energy and potential energy. In the given diagram, the possible direction of heat energy transformation is option A, that is B to A, C to A and C to B. It will be reduced. Fourth lesson, electricity. Question number 1. Which of the following is correct? Rate of change of charge is correct. Option B. Question number 2. SI unit of resistance is ohm. That is option C. Third question. In a simple circuit, why does the bulb glows when you close the switch? Option B. That is closing the switch completes the circuit. Question number 4. Kilowatt hour is the unit of option C, electrical energy. Fifth lesson, acoustics. Question number 1. When a sound wave travels through air, the air particles, option A, vibrate along the direction of the wave motion. Question number 2. Velocity of sound in a gaseous medium is 330 meter per second if the pressure is increased by 4 times without causing a change in the temperature. The velocity of sound in gas is option A, 330 meter per second. Question number 3. The frequency which is audible to the human ear is option B, 20 kHz. Question number 4. The velocity of sound in air at a particular temperature is 330 meter per second. What will be its value when temperature is doubled and the pressure is halved? Option C, 330 into root 2 meter per second. Question number 5. If a sound wave travels with a frequency of 1.25 into 10 power 4 Hz at 344 meter per second, the wavelength will be option C, 0.02752 meter. Question number 6. The sound waves are reflected from an obstacle into the same medium from which they were incident. Which of the following changes occurs? There will not be any change in speed, frequency, wavelength. So none of this is the answer. Option D. Question number 7. Velocity of sound in the atmosphere of a planet is 500 meters per second. The minimum distance between the sources of sound and obstacles to hear the echo should be option C, 25 meter. Sixth lesson, nuclear physics. First question. Man-made radioactivity is also known as option D, that is A and C, that is induced radioactivity as well as artificial radioactivity. Question number 2. Unit of radioactivity is Roentgen, Curie, Becquerel. So all the above is the correct answer. Option D. Question number 3. Artificial radioactivity was discovered by option B, Aaron Curie. Question number 4. In which of the following no change in mass number of the daughter nuclei takes place? Option B, that is second and third are correct, that is beta decay and gamma decay are correct. Question number 5. Dash isotope is used for the treatment of cancer. Option B, radiocobalt. Question number 6. Gamma radiations are dangerous because option C, it produces genetic disorder. Question number 7. Dash aprons are used to protect us from gamma radiations. Option C, lead. Question number 8. Which of the following statement is more correct? So option D, that is third and fourth are correct, that is ionization power is maximum for alpha rays, penetrating power of gamma radiation is very high. Question number 9. Proton-proton chain reaction is an example of option C, that is nuclear fission. Question number 10. In the nuclear reaction 6x12, a decay, that is alpha decay, ZYA. The value of mass number and atomic number is option B, that is 8 and 4. Question number 11. Common reactor is located at option A, Kalpakam. Question number 12. Which of the following is or correct? Option B, 1 and 2 are correct. That is, chain reaction takes place in a nuclear reactor and an atomic bomb. And true, the chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is controlled. Now chemistry. 7th lesson. Atoms and molecules. Which of the following has the smallest mass? Option B, 1 atom of helium. Question number 2. Which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 3. The volume occupied by 4.4 gram of CO2 at standard temperature and pressure is option B, 2.24 liter. Question number 4. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is option D, 14 gram. Question number 5. Which of the following represents one atomic mass unit? Option C, 1/12 of the mass of a C12 atom. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A and C. There is 1 gram of C12 contains Avogadro's number of atoms, and option C, that is 1 mole of hydrogen gas contains Avogadro's numbers of atoms. Question number 7. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a diatomic gas at a standard temperature pressure is option C, 22.4 liters. Question number 8. In the nucleus of 20 calcium-40, there are option B, 20 protons and 20 neutrons. Question number 9. The gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule is option C, 32 gram. Question number 10. 1 mole of any substance contains dash molecules. Option A, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. 8th lesson, periodic classification of elements. Question number 1. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are option D, 7, 18. Question number 2. The basis of modern periodic law is option A, atomic number. Question number 3. Dash groups contains the member of halogen family. Option A, 17th group. Question number 4. Dash is a relative periodic property. Option D, electronegativity. Question number 5. Chemical formula of rust is option C, Fe2O3 into H2O. Question number 6. In the aluminothermic process, the role of aluminum is option B, reducing agent. Question number 7. The process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called option C, galvanization. Question number 8. Which of the following have inert gases to electrons in the outermost shell? Option A, helium. Question number 9. Neon shows 0 electron affinity due to option B, stable configuration of electrons. Question number 10. Dash is an important metal to form amalgam. Option B, Hg. Question 9th lesson, solutions. Question number 1. A solution is a dash mixture. Option A, homogeneous. Question number 2. The number of components in a binary solution is option A, 2. Question number 3. Which of the following is the universal solvent? Option C, water. Question number 4. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a definite amount of solvent at a given temperature is called option A, saturated solution. Question number 5. Identify the non-aqueous solution. Option D, sulfur in carbon disulfide. Question number 6. When pressure is increased at constant temperature, the solubility of gases in liquid, option B, increases. Question number 7. Solubility of NaCl in 100 ml water is 36 gram. If 25 gram of salt is dissolved in 100 ml of water, how much more salt is required for saturation? Option B, 11 gram. Question number 8. A 25% alcohol solution means option C, that is 25 ml alcohol in 75 ml of water. Question number 9. Deliquescence is due to option A, strong affinity to water. Question number 10. Which of the following is hygroscopic in nature? Option C, silica gel. 10th lesson, types of chemical reactions. Question number 1. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl is a option B, combination reaction. Question number 2. Photolysase is a decomposition reaction caused by option C, light. Question number 3. The reaction between carbon and oxygen is represented by C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat. In which of the types the above reaction can be classified? That is option D, 1, 2 and 4, that is combination reaction, combustion reaction, as well as irreversible reaction. Question number 4. The chemical equation Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl represents which of the following types of reaction? Option C, precipitation. Question number 5. Which of the following statements are correct about a chemical equilibrium? Option A, 1, 2 and 3, that is it is dynamic in nature. The rate of the forward and backward reactions are equal to equilibrium. And third, irreversible reactions do not attain chemical equilibrium. Question number 6. A single displacement reaction is represented by X plus 2HCl gives XCl2 plus H2. Which of the following would be X? Choose the best pair. That is option C, 3 and 4, that is Cu and Mg. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an element plus element gives compound type reaction? Option C, that is 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2. Question number 8. Which of the following represents a precipitation reaction? Option C, A aqueous solution plus B aqueous solution gives us C plus D aqueous solution. Question number 9. The pH of a solution is 3. Its OH minus concentration is option C, 1 into 10 power minus 11 m. Question number 10. Powdered CaCO3 reacts more rapidly than flaky CaCO3 because of option A, large surface area. 11th lesson, carbon and its compounds. Question number 1. The molecular formula of an open chain organic compound is C3H6. The class of the compound is option B, alkene. Question number 2. The IUPAC name of an organic compound is option D, alcohol. That is the IUPAC name of an organic compound is 3-methyl butan 1-ol. What type compound it is? So it is an alcohol. So it is given, so alcohol, option D. Question number 3. The secondary suffix used in IUPAC nomenclature of an aldehyde is option C, Al. Question number 4. Which of the following pairs can be successive members of a homologous series? C3H8 and C4H10. Option A. Question number 5. C2H5OH plus 3O2 gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O is a option B, that is combustion of ethanol. Question number 6. Rectified spirit is an aqueous solution which contains about dash of ethanol. Option A, 95.9, that is 95.5% ethanol. Question number 7. Which of the following are used as anesthetics? Option B, ethers. TFM in soaps represents dash contained in soap. Option C, fatty acid. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is wrong about detergents? Option A. It is a sodium salt of long chain fatty acids. Now biology. 12th lesson, plant anatomy and plant physiology. Question number 1. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root. Option D, endodermis. Question number 2. The endor condition is the characteristic features of. Option B, stem. Question number 3. The xylem and phloem arranged side by side on same radius is called. Option C, conjoint. Question number 4. Which is formed during anaerobic respiration? Option B, ethyl alcohol. Question number 5. Krebs cycle takes place in. Option B, mitochondrial matrix. Question number 6. Oxygen is produced at what point during photosynthesis? Option C, when H2O is splitted. 13th lesson, structural organization of animals. Question number 1. In leg locomotion is performed by. So none of the above. Option B. Question number 2. The segments of leaf are known as. Option A, metameres, that is somites. Question number 3. Pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of. Option B, nervous system. Question number 4. The brain of leech lies above the. Option C, that is pharynx. Question number 5. The body of leech has. Option B, 33 segments. Question number 6. Mammals are dash animals. Option B, warm-blooded animals. Question number 7. The animals which give birth to young ones are. Option B, viviparous. 14th lesson, transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Question number 1. Active transport involves. Option D, all the above, that is movement of molecules from lower to higher concentration, expenditure of energy. It is an uphill task. So all the above. Question number 2. Water which is absorbed by roots is transported to aerial parts of the plant through. Option D, xylem. Question number 3. During transpiration, there is loss of. Option C, water. Question number 4. Root hairs are. Option D, both B and C, that is projection of epidermal cell and unicellular. Question number 5. Which of the following process requires energy? Option A, active transport. Question number 6. The wall of human heart is made of. Option D, all the above, that is endocardium, epicardium, myocardium. Question number 7. Which is the sequence of correct blood flow? Option C, atrium to ventricle to arteries to vein. Question number 8. A patient with blood group O was injured in an accident and has blood loss. Which blood group the doctor should effectively use for transfusion in this condition? Option A, O group. Question number 9. Heart of heart is called. Option A, SA node. Question number 10. Which one of the following regarding blood composition is correct? Option B, blood, plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Fifteenth lesson, nervous system. Question number 1. bipolar neutrons are found in option A, retina of the eye. Question number 2. Site for processing of vision, hearing, memory, speech, intelligence and thought is option C, brain. Question number 3. In reflex action, the reflex arc is formed by option D, receptor, spinal cord, muscle. Question number 4. Dendrites transmit impulse cell body and axon transmit impulse cell body. Option B, towards and away from. So dendrites transmit impulse cell body towards and axon transmit impulse cell body away from it. Question number 5. The outermost of the 3 cranial meninges is option C, dura mater. Question number 6. There are pairs of cranial nerves and pairs of spinal nerves. Option A, 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Question number 7. The neurons which carries impulse from the central nervous system to the muscle fiber. Option C, efferent neuron. Question number 8. Which nervous band connects the 2 cerebral hemispheres of brain? Option C, corpus callosum. Question number 9. Node of Ranvier is found in option B, axons. Question number 10. Vomiting center is located in option A, medulla oblongata. Question number 11. Nerve cells do not possess option B, sarcolemma. Question number 12. A person who met with an accident lost control of body temperature, water balance and hunger. Which of the following part of brain is supposed to be damaged? Option D, hypothalamus. 16th lesson, plant and animal hormones. First question, chimbrains cause. Option B, elongation of dwarf plants. Question number 2, the hormone which has positive effect on apical dominance is option B, auxin. Question number 3, which one of the following hormones is naturally not found in plants? 2, 4D. Fourth question, Avanocoleoptile test was conducted by option D, F.W. Wendt. Fifth question, to increase the sugar production in sugar cans, they are sprayed with option D, ethylene. Question number 6, LH is secreted by option C, anterior pituitary. Question number 7, identify the exocrine gland. Option C, salivary gland. Question number 8, which organ acts as both the exocrine, that is exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland? Option A, pancreas. Question number 9, which one is referred as master gland? Option B, pituitary gland. 17th lesson, reproduction in plants and animals. Question number 1, the plant which propagates with the help of its leaves is option D, bryophyllum. Question number 2, asexual reproduction takes place through budding in option B, yeast. Question number 3, syngamy results in the formation of option C, zygote. Question number 4, the essential parts of a flower are option D, androecium and gynoecium. Question number 5, anemophilous flowers have option D, large feathery stigma. Question number 6, male gametes in angiosperms are formed by the division of option A, generative cell. Question number 7, what is true of gametes? Option D, they are formed from gonads. Question number 8, a single highly coiled tube where sperms are stored, get concentrated and mature is known as option A, epidermis. Question number 9. The long elongated cells that provide nutrition to developing sperms are option B, Sertoli cells. Question number 10. Estrogen is secreted by option C, Graafian follicle. Question number 11. Which one of the following is an IUCD? Option A, copper T. 18th lesson, heredity. Question number 1. According to Mendel, alleles have the following character. Option B, responsible for character. Question number 2. 9:3 is to 3:1 ratio is due to option C, independent assortment. Question number 3. The region of the chromosome where the spindle fibers get attached during cell division. Option C, centromere. Question number 4. The centromere is found at the center of the dash chromosome. Option B, metacentric. Question number 5. The dash units form the backbone of the DNA. Option D, sugar phosphate. Question number 6. Okazaki fragments are joined together by option D, DNA ligase. Question number 7. The number of chromosomes found in human beings are option A, 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of allosomes. Question number 8. The loss of one or more chromosome in a ploidy is called option B, aneuploidy. 19th lesson, origin and evolution of life. Question number 1. Nineteenth lesson, origin and evolution of life. Question number 1. Biogenetic law states that option B, ontogeny, replication, phylogeny. Question number 2. The use and disuse theory was proposed by option C, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Question number 3. Paleontologists deal with option B, fossil evidences. Question number 4. The best way of direct dating fossils of recent origin is by option A, radiocarbon method. Question number 5. The term ethnobotany was coined by option B, J.W. Herzberger. 20th lesson, breeding and biotechnology. Question number 1. Which method of crop improvement can be practiced by a farmer if he is inexperienced? Option B, mass selection. Question number 2. Pusap-Komal is a disease-resistant variety of option C, cowpea. Question number 3. Himgiri developed by hybridization and selection for disease resistance against rust pathogens is a variety of option D, wheat. Question number 4. The miracle rice, which saved millions of lives and celebrated its 50th birthday, is option A, IR8. Question number 5. Which of the following is used to produce products useful to humans by biotechnology techniques? Option D, both A and B, that is enzyme from organism and live organism. Question number 6. We can cut the DNA with the help of option B, restriction endonuclease. Question number 7. rDNA is a option C, recombinant of vector DNA and desired DNA. Question number 8. DNA fingerprinting is based on the principle of identifying dash sequences of DNA. Option D, repetitive. Question number 9. Organisms with modified endogenous gene or a foreign gene are also known as. Option D, both A and B, that is transgenic organisms, genetically modified. Question number 10. In a hexaploid bait, 2n equal to 6x equal to 42, the haploid n and the base x number of chromosomes are. Option D, n equal to 21 and x equal to 7. 21st lesson, health and diseases. Question number 1. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be. Option A, nicotine. Question number 2. World No Tobacco Day is observed on. Option A, May 31st. Question number 3. Cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are. Option D, undergoing rapid division. Question number 4. Which type of cancer affects lymph nodes and spleen? Option D, lymphoma. Question number 5. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to. Option B, cirrhosis of liver. Question number 6. Coronary heart disease is due to. Option D, insufficient blood supply to heart muscles. Question number 7. Cancer of the epithelial cells is called. Option C, carcinoma. Question number 8. Metastasis is associated with. Option A, malignant tumor. Question number 9. Phylophagia is a condition seen in. Option B, diabetes mellitus. Question number 10. Where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? Option D, central nervous system. Today's second lesson, environmental management. Question number 1. Which of the following is or a fossil fuel? Option C, second and third, that is coal and petroleum. Question number 2. What are the steps will you adopt for better waste management? Option D, all the above, that is reduce the amount of waste formed, reuse the waste and recycle the waste. Question number 3. The gas released from vehicles exhaust are. Option D, 1, 2 and 3, that is carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. Question number 4. Soil erosion can be prevented by. Option B, afforestation. Question number 5. A renewable source of energy is. Option D, trees. Question number 6. Soil erosion is more where there is. Option C, rainfall is high. Question number 7. An inexhaustible resources is. Option A, wind power. Question number 8. Common energy source in villages. Option D, wood and animal dung. Question number 9. Greenhouse effect refers to. Option D, warming of earth. Question number 10. A cheap, conventional, commercial and inexhaustible source of energy is. Option A, hydropower. Question number 11. Global warming will cause. Option D, all the above, that is rising level of oceans, melting of glaciers, sinking of islands. Question number 12. Which of the following statement is wrong with respect to wind energy? Option B, the blades of windmill are operated with the help of electric motor. 20th lesson, that is visual communication. Question number 1. Which software is used to create animation? Option D, Scratch. Question number 2. All files are stored in the. Option A, folder. Question number 3. It is used to build scripts. Option A, script area. Question number 4. Which is used to edit programs? Option B, script editor. Question number 5. Where you will create category of blogs? Option B, blog menu. Okay, thank you students. So these are all the 1 words that is given in your book bag. So prepare well and get full marks. Thank you all. We will meet in the next video. Thank you all.